What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spice, and I'm back with another video, baby. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's early in the morning, and we're being loud and being obnoxious, but it's going down though. Early in the morning, quietly. You dig? At the moment, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, man. I'm trying to get at it, man. But before we get into this video, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell, make it turn gray, so you won't miss anything your boy got coming to you, man. I always got some heat coming with these cars, man. So if you like this car content, the old school content, the DIY, the in-depth detail of how you can do this and how you can do that, and what about this and what about that, and troubleshooting, in your opinion, in my opinion, let's put it together and let's make it the best we can make it, baby. But anyway, man, hope you're having a good day. Hope y'all having a good morning. Hope everybody's staying blessed, man. It's gonna be a beautiful day today. Let's get some progress done, man. Y'all hold on, I'm gonna turn this camera around, show y'all what we got going on, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all, as promised, no cap in my rap. I got the other 3 sets of Godfather 6.5. They came in. So, yeah, sir. We're gonna try to get these installed in the doors. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sir. We're gonna try to get these installed in the doors today. It's supposed to rain, so, you know, it's kind of cloudy. I'm scared to start doing anything with the paint. As you seen in the last video, you know what I'm saying, we got the lithium hooked up. We got that big 12K back there slapping. And we gotta hook all these 6.5s and these super tweeters up. We got super tweeters and 6.5 everywhere. Don't mind the rust. Them ZV6 has been getting to work, you dig? But yeah, we gotta hook that 440 up, and we gotta hook that 1200 by 4. Yeah, I got all my screws. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. I already started. I just wanted to turn the camera on and show y'all what I started on. I cut the front 2 holes. They look alright. I gotta trim a little bit of metal out, of course. I should have knew that I wasn't gonna be able to go through this and not trim the metal. And I got this back when I was finally started on this. I haven't did anything with them 2 doors over there, so I just want to bring y'all in once I got started on it. And this is where we at. Finding a good place to put these 6.5s. And you know, yeah. Getting them placed in there where we don't have to cut so much metal out, you know what I'm saying? But just enough to clear. I might have to put sprinkler rings on. I don't know, man. And then I'm thinking about building them LED arm rests too. Them LED arm rests, cause I don't like this right here. That's terrible. But yeah, we're gonna do something with that too. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Look at this box cut over here. Yeah. Finish cutting this crap out. I'm gonna try to get these 6.5s. All these 6.5s stuffed in here. We got 6 back there. We got 2 in the console. We got 2 super tweeters in each 2 front doors, 2 6.5s in each 2 front doors, 1 super tweeter and 1 6.5 in each back door, and 2 6.5s and 2 3.5s in the console, and 2 4x6s in the dashboard. So she'll get pretty loud. And also, I haven't cut my metal out in the back yet. But yeah, we need to cut that out so we can let a little bit of that pressure out that trunk inside the cabin. But we are making headway, baby. I have all my wires cut for all the 6.5s except 1. I ran out of wire. But I got them all stretched out and I got them all cut, and I think I'm gonna make it work. So that's what we're doing today. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere, baby. YouTube, good morning. Back at this wiring game again, y'all. It's early in the morning. You hear the bird, you hear the whatever, and you see the sun. We back on this wiring with this box Chevy. We're trying to get these highs wired up. We got the amps wired up. We got the big 3. We got our bunch of the sub stuff hooked up, and the sub stuff pretty much done. It's almost time to get all this stuff together and go ahead and do a final tune on it. But we got a little bit more to do, man. So let's try to get this shit done today, man. It's going down, baby. It's going down. I'm gonna turn the camera. I don't need some talking this early in the morning. I already made an intro to this video. We already got started. It's just a whole nother day. Same work to get done, baby. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere. Alright. The other day when I last picked up the camera, I was I think I was leaving off. I had got the holes cut in the doors and stuff, and I didn't get none of the wires done. But let me catch y'all up real quick. I got the holes cut. That hole is perfect. This hole is perfect, but it's bumping in the back, so I gotta figure out if I'm gonna put a speaker rings around these front two now that I got a little space in this one, or if I'm gonna cut it back a little farther and buy me another door panel and just do that one correctly. I don't know, but I done ran all my wires. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get some wire shrink and put around it and stuff. I done hid all my wires under my carpet. You can't see no wires. I gotta finish putting all this back on there. I got the back doors done. Man, and it sounds amazing. I got this one, those two, and this side of the console hooked up. This side, these two, that 6.5 and that 3.5 in the console, and these tweeters working. All these working on the driver's side. I'm talking about screaming. I haven't hooked up the 4x6s in the dash yet, but I will do that at the end. So yeah, I got all my wire here. As you can see, you really can't see no wire except for right here, and that's just because I haven't even tucked it all the way up under there yet. But I ran all that wire out, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over there and bust this passenger side down today. We're gonna try to see if we can get that passenger side done. See if we can get that screaming extremely loud. I'll give y'all a little glance at what I got going on back here. Okay. I got the 440 hooked up. I used some of that 8-gauge speaker wire to go ahead and run that to the lithium battery. Like I said, I got the driver's side hooked up on 2 channels, 1 channel. I got the 1200 by 4, and yeah, I got the driver's side 6.5. So I got 6.5 running off the 1200, and I got all the super tweets running off the 440. And that 12K doing pretty good. I ran my battery down so much, I had to bring the charger out here and put it on the charger. So that's that little charger I was telling y'all guys about when I was building the battery. I mean, it worked pretty nicely. You see it sitting at 1472 at 39 watts, 40 watts, and 2.713 amps. So she charging up. I had it on there all night last night. So she ought to be good and charged up and ready to go. But yeah, I got the last 2 boxes of American Base 6.5s right there. We're gonna try to get them sun guns put together, get them in the doors. Yeah, it looks nice. Man, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the setup, man, so far, man. Seriously, man. I need some genuine, true answers, man, to my genuine, true supporters, man. What do you think about the setup, man? This car come out the graveyard now. Look at it now. Kinda spent a lot of money in this trunk right here. Yes, sir. Man, I think I might need to put these super tweeters in the console or somewhere. I need to use them things. They brand new, But yeah. Yes, sir. We finna do this passenger side today. Y'all stay tuned. I got the wires ran out already. All I gotta do is get my drill and stuff out. Start busting these door panels out. And I gotta cut a little bit, so yeah. Show y'all, just in case somebody missed it, I'll show y'all how I got it wired up under here. Yes, sir. I gotta add another ground, but I got 2 grounds here. I got a body ground. I got a alternator bracket ground going down there. Motor ground. I got a ground down there in the back behind the wheel on the frame. And I got another ground back there on the body. So I need to put another one down here on the frame in the front. We should be good and ground up and good and powered up, baby. Yes, sir. 305, come alive. Watch this heat. And don't go nowhere. It's early in the morning, baby. I don't want to be screaming. Here now. All right, y'all. Check this out. I'm on the passenger side, right? Getting ready to add the rest of these American-based 6.5s in the doors and hook these tweeters up to the amps back there. A little glimpse of the amps. Y'all see all them blue lights on? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it charging, baby. They back there singing. But anyway, I'm over here taking these door panels off. I got the door panel off. I got my passenger door panel there. My driver door panel here. Finna get ready to clean them up and get ready to start cutting on them and get these doors wired up. Got the front door off and get ready to cut them doors at the top so I can clear them 6.5. And I came back here to this back door, man, and I don't think I ever seen a little old slip like this, y'all. I'm about to take it off. Man, y'all tell me. Check it out, man. You know what I'm saying? Have y'all ever seen a little advertisement slip like this in the box Chevy? I ain't never seen that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he got some stuff up there. Y'all let me know if y'all ever seen one of these in a box Chevy, man. In one of these little advertisements. Wiper, backup switch, steering wheel option, tilt. These are codes to all the extra accessories and stuff you can get with these boxes. I ain't never seen them. My third box. I ain't never seen one of these. I ain't never seen nobody post one. But it was just stuck in this door on the inside. So I don't know. But yeah, right now, since we having an update, real update, I got my wires ran. I got my one that's going to the back rear door. I gotta run another one. I got two long ones going to the front doors. I got them all ran around here. And that's these three right here. That's these three naked wires right here. So I got them going to the passenger side. And what I do is I'm hooking up the rear doors on their own little old wire system and the front doors on their own wire system. And I'm tying the console in from one side to the other. Passenger side of the console gonna be ran on the passenger side doors, drive side, etc. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got the wires ran up all the way to right here. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm finna get ready to get my box cutter, cut that little old piece around there. You know, the Impala got that little old plastic piece in there and a plastic piece right there on the door for the cab of the car. Run them around there, get my grinder out, cut these doors a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna be in action. Try to get this stuff together today, get it done. And I got the shock wheel base pulled out. It's time to go and get that body work done with it. I gotta get through sanding that today. And we're gonna get that up out of here. Stay tuned, baby. Yes, sir. Watch this heat. Watch this heat. All right, y'all. We got everything done. Everything wrapped up pretty much. I got all the 6.5s on. I got them all ran to the amps. I done adjusted all the amps. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm gonna have to do a little adjustment here or there as I go. But yeah, man. Everything went pretty good. As you can see, I put the ugly carpet back in there and all my pieces. Like you never put wires in there, man. All the way down in there. Let me zoom in. Only thing you can see in the doors is right there. Because this Impala so base model, they didn't never come with no electric in the doors, so they just put little couplings in there. So I'm gonna have to get some wire shrink and put on there. Make it look good, keep it kind of protected. That door pretty good. And this door came out pretty good. Well, I turned the bang on a while ago and then knocked the grills down, so I'm gonna have to put that putty in between my grills to hold them on. But man, she is screaming, you hear me? them American base super tweeters, and them Godfather 6.5s. 2 Godfather 6.5s and 2 3.5s in the console. And I want y'all to pay attention to something real quick. Y'all see that door right there? I cut those speakers a little too close together, and that back one is kind of janky. If I would have spaced them out like I did over here, it fit just right, and it look clean. It's flush all the way around, and it's neat. So that's one mistake I made while I was doing it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go run it, try to. Oh, I keep falling, y'all. Shit. All right, man, and them potholes from spinning. Can't really see it, but yeah, I'm gonna have to recut this door panel. I'm gonna have to get another door panel and cut it, and scoot this 6.5 back just a little bit, because while it's sitting there, it hit my my window motor, my window track. So that's temporary for right now. It's all good. One little old hiccup, but she's screaming, y'all, and she knocking. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give y'all one more look at that trunk before we shut it down and get on up out of here. Yes, sir. I'm gonna clean these wires up. I'm gonna go get some zip ties and clean them wires up a little bit, separate them, make them look good. But you see all them blue lights on back there? See all them blue lights on back there, baby? Yes, sir. It's going down. And I learned, y'all. I learned. As long as you got that lithium charged up, that son bitch is powerful. You hearing me? Yes, sir. I got my little charger back there too. Oh yeah, it's still back there. It's still back there, cause when I get through with this video, I'm gonna charge it back up, put it back on the charger, and it's gonna sit here on the charger all the time. I always have it charged up. Yes, sir. What y'all think about them dope panels, man? I really want to give y'all a little sneak peek of this music, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna make a whole video and take a whole loss on a copyrighted video just so y'all can hear how nasty this thing is, cause y'all been with me the whole journey. I've been building this thing when it didn't even have music in it, didn't have a radio in it. It was straight out the field, literally, with pine trees and logs sitting around it, sitting on the belly. But we done brought this thing back on the channel, man. And it's just really the beginning, man. We just really getting hot. We really getting hot, man. After we finish this, it's time to do this roof. Trying to do these stars. It's time to do these billet pieces in the inside. It's time to do this dashboard. It's time to get this paint going. We're gonna put new fenders on this thing. We're gonna put them Dakota digital tail lights in it, man. I'm telling you, look, I can go on and on and on about the dreams that I have for this vehicle, man. But if you want to be a part of that and see if it comes true, or see if I'm capping, or if I'm talking about what I'm talking about and I'm gonna do what I'm talking about, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, make it turn gray so you won't miss nothing your boy got coming to you that he be talking about. And man, listen, like the video if you like the content, or any other old content that I done never posted, any future content I got coming for y'all boys, man. Y'all make sure y'all just hit that thumbs up for your boy. It's free. It just help your boy in the algorithm. And if you got any questions or comments, any opinions, or anything like that, man, leave it in the comment box below, baby, because I talk back. It's your boy Jay Spike, out with another one on this Boss Chevy, baby. Ooh wee, watch this heat.